Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right chocolate and tools. This determines stability and shine. Use couverture or good baking chocolate for molding and drips. Chop the chocolate into uniform pieces so it melts evenly. Uneven chunks create grainy texture. Once chopped, set a double boiler or prepare a microwave on low power bursts. Place a digital thermometer in the bowl and warm a small seed of extra chocolate for temper tests. Move now, you want controlled heat, not a rushed scorched batch. You melt with intention. Gently raise temperature to the target range, stirring to prevent hot spots and seizing. Once the chocolate reaches 45-50 degrees C, remove heat and add 20-30% seeded chocolate or use tabling to cool it to 27-28 degrees C. This creates stable cocoa butter crystals. Then warm slightly to a working temp, around 31-32 degrees C for dark, so it flows but holds shape. While working, you keep stirring and monitor temperature. This balance gives glossy finish, crisp snap, and reliable adhesion to cake surfaces. You apply chocolate when at working temperature. Pour for glazes, pipe for decorations, or spread thin layers for shards. Use consistent movements, steady pressure when piping, and long, smooth strokes with an offset spatula for even coverage. Allow pieces to set at cool room temperature. Avoid sudden refrigeration, which can bloom. If chocolate seizes or dulls, don't panic. Add a small amount of warm cocoa butter to reflow or retemper using the seed method. Finally, check adhesion and clean edges for professional presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.